Hi everyone, this is Terry and I'm a travel journalist who writes the strangersinthelivingroom.com travel blog. And if you're like me and you're a frequent flyer, you probably have a ton of these airline amenity kits sitting around in a drawer somewhere just taking up space, and it feels kind of wasteful to throw them out. Well, they're about to come in handy because health officials have recommended that people wear some kind of covering over their nose and mouth to help slow down the spread of COVID-19. And it can be a homemade cloth covering so that we can save those heavy-duty respirator masks for the first responders and the medical personnel who desperately need them right now. So here's what you do. You take your amenity kit, like this typical one from Austrian Airlines, and you open it up and you take out the stuff you don't need. The earplugs, face cream, lip balm, toothbrush, toothpaste. And here's what you're going to use. The face mask that normally you would put on to block out the light and get a little bit of sleep on the airplane, right? Well, now all you need to do is turn it around so that this little flap is covering this part of your nose. Put it on, put the straps over your ears, and pull it down over your nose and mouth. Voila! Instant face mask. So, different airlines have different designs. This one from Polish Airlines has a nice sanitary plastic bag covering it. Now the really good ones have a bigger nose flap so that you can cover more of your nose and mouth. And if you're lucky, you might even find a patriotic one like this one, Team USA. We're all in it together, right? Just remember to turn it over so that the nose flap is up. So everybody stay safe, stay healthy, and stay hopeful that we will all be traveling again sometime in the not too distant future. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll also see you on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and all the normal social media channels. Stay safe out there. Good luck, everyone.